Market Value Assessor, Repair Estimate, setting up your repair estimate profile and completing a simple estimate. To create a profile, visit My Account, then Profile Builder. Add a new profile. And choose your labour time units, complete your labour rates, discounts and VAT, and save. Open your vehicle case. Select your profile and start Repair Estimate. Use the detailed vehicle graphics to select your desired part. Use the Quick Operation buttons to quickly replace, repair, or uninstall. Double-click on a part in the vehicle graphic for more detailed options. Choose an operation type. Amend the parts price and labour hours if required. Use the generic vehicle graphic to navigate around the vehicle. Use the zoom options for even more detail. Calculate your estimate with the Calculation button. Review your estimate. Save your estimate and exit. Save your vehicle case and you're done.